dark side of the moon.
Hello everybody! I look like death because I just came from volleyball. And I will be explaining to you the web coding terms for this project to make it interesting because we all know PowerPoints are very, very boring. A website is a collection of related web pages containing images, videos, or other digital assets hosted on at least one web server accessible via internet. Creates the World Wide Web, as we all know. A web page is a document/information resource that is suitable for www and can be accessed through a web browser. Usually HTML or XHTML format can provide navigation to other web pages via hypertext links. Okay. The coding elements that provide structure are HTML, the coding elements that provide presentation are CSS, and the coding elements that provide behavior are JavaScript. Each piece should be separated and used for its intended purpose, and if they are not separated into these three, what can be created with each web page is very limited and very disorganized. People tended to do this in 1996 and it sucked, so that's why they changed it. This makes web more accessible, makes pieces of the interface more portable, easier web page maintenance, and reduced latency. I like cats. I don't know how you write. How do you write an HTML tag? Well, you write the tag in angle brackets, such as this. This makes it distinguishable as a coding language apart from the rest of the text that you are writing. A doc type element is used to distinguish what type of markup language that is being used. An attribute is a thing that provides additional information about an element, and these are always specified in the start tag. They come in name/value pairs. For example, name equals quotation mark value quotation mark. A meta tag provides metadata about the HTML document. This will not be displayed on the page, but it can be analyzed by the computer. Meta tags are specifically used to specify page description, keywords, author of the document, last modified, etc., etc. For text you want to appear on the page, you must write it between the body tags, which are within the HTML tags. The H1 tag is used for the largest and most important headings on the page.
Yeah. Absolutely.
I'll get in trouble for that. To load an image onto the page, you must refer to where it is saved onto your computer within the tag, and I will show this to you in a screen cap that I'm about to take right now. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. This is a standard network protocol used to transfer files from one host to another. FTP clients, for example, FileZilla, allow you to upload to the web. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a networking protocol for distributed, collaborative, hypermedia information systems. How it works? A client sends a request to the server in the form of a request method, and the server responds with a status line, including the message's protocol version and a success or error code, followed by server information. A server is a computer program running to serve the requests of other programs, aka the clients. The server performs computational tasks to serve its clients. Web server. Web server. Web servers are computers that deliver web pages. Every web server has an IP address and possibly a domain name. URL, URL, a uniform resource locator. This is the global address of documents and other resources on the World Wide Web. It is composed of 3 parts. No, it is composed of 2 parts. I lied. The first part indicates which protocol to use, for example, HTTP or FTP. And the second part identifies the IP address or the domain name. How do you make a link in your web page? Bracket, angle bracket, A, href. There's something in my nose. You better not put this in the video. Oh my god, almonds. How to create a link. How to create a link. Angle bracket, A, href equals, quotation mark, insert URL, quotation mark, angle bracket. If you wish to make your link appear as a word, you write the word outside the right angle bracket and write angle bracket /A angle bracket. And this would be so much more helpful if we put a screen cap in, which will probably happen.
We look like we're some like.
Oh, it's going. I like cereal. Okay. Well, this concludes our video that answer all the questions on web terms.
Bye.
There's Surly over there. Hi, Surly. Hey. Thanks for looking at my ugly face.